Hello viewers, welcome to my game development third-person shooter game series. In this video I will show you how you can blend to animation in Unreal Engine 5. This is very useful tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. First, we will create third-person template from game panel, set project location and type name of project. Then click on create. Download the animation starter pack from Marketplace, which I show you in video. Link in the description. Download and import a project. Open Content Drawer. There are folder named on if starter pack open folder. That's all we got from this pack. A lot of animation. Search idle. Right click on idle rifle hip. Retarget animation. Do same as I am doing. Select idle rifle hip animation from here. Then click on export. Select folder where you want to save animations. Click export. Click export. As you can see, we successfully retarget UE4 to UE5 animation. Then again open ONIV starter pack and search for jog forward animation. Right-click on Jog Forward Rifle and Retarget Animation. Do same as I am doing. Select Jog Forward Rifle Animation. Then click on Export. Select folder where you want to save animations. Click Export. Right-click in Animation, click on Legacy and add Blend Space 1D. Select SK Mannequin. Open Blend Space. In horizontal axis change name to speed and maximum value to 600. Add idle rifle hip animation in the starting of blend space. Then search jog forward rifle animation and add to blend space at the last. Hold Ctrl and move left mouse button to check animation. Click on Save and close blend space. Right-click on Animation and add Animation Blueprint. Select SK Mannequin. Type ABP character and press Enter. Open ABP character. In search box, search for your newly create blend space, drag and drop to blueprint. Pin default slot from blend space to output pose. As you can see, if we add maximum value of 600 character, we'll jog forward. Convert speed to promote to variable. Click on Event Graph. From Get Pawn Owner, add velocity. Then add Get Vector Length. Rename variable to speed. Drag and drop speed variable to set speed. Do the same. Compile and save. Make sure you enable loop. Type weight and add some weight, something like 10. Click on Save. Save this as well. Let's check it is working or not. I think we made a big mistake. Nothing is working. Go to BP third person character. Change Olive class to ABP character. Compile and save. I hope now it's work. As you can see, our animation has successfully blended. If you want more tutorial like this, make sure you subscribe my both channel. Stay tuned and goodbye.